but two accents together. Okay, as I've told you at the time of admission, that you're going to learn UK accent, not only UK accent, but you're going to learn the US accent as well in my class, and I'll be teaching it for the same. Okay, it will be absolutely free, means what, there is no further cost for this one. So this is what I'm telling you, that you are going to learn two accents in my class, UK as well as US. All right, UK as well as US. Now I'll tell you today the difference between sounds of UK and US. As you can see here, a word is there, schedule. So first of all, just see the terminology. What are we going to learn in our sounds and accent today? All right, good. So schedule is the word, correct? So before we go ahead, before I teach you what is American and what is British sound, before that, I would like to tell you what exactly are the sounds and how are we going to work on that. Point number one is what? लड़की को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? What is लड़की in English?
Girl.
Correct. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग बोलते हैं गर्ल. गर्ल मतलब यानी बगला. पानी में बगला रहता है ना, उसको बोले.
Not
अगर अपन
girl.
कोई लड़की
Girl.
बोलेंगे शी इज अ गर्ल, मतलब यानी वो बगला है. अरे अपने को पकड़ के धोएगी वो. उसको अपने को बोलना चाहिए था शी इज गर्ल. फॉर्मल लोग कैसे बोलते हैं? शी इज गर्ल, ही इज बॉय, शी इज गर्ल. गो स्ट्रेट एंड टर्न लेफ्ट, टर्न राइट. अपन क्या बोलते हैं? टर्न लेफ्ट, टर्न राइट. वो टर्न नहीं है, क्या है वो? टर्न. You know how many? There are many birds in the sky. We say bird. It's not bud. It is what? Bird. Bird. American लोग, फॉरेन लोग कैसे बोल रहे हैं? Girl, bird, World Cup. अपन बोलते हैं वर्ल्ड कप, वर्ल्ड कप. So this is what our problem. We say, हमारे एक टीचर थे, that teacher used to say, it is very important. Please write down. Important का मतलब होता है gay. What do you mean by important? Gay.
I don't know.
अगर बोलेंगे हम लोग gay, gay, third gender, homosexual. अगर किसी को अगर अपन बोलेंगे ये गे है, लिख के लो, आप लोग हंसेंगे कि नहीं? ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट द शिट इज ही स्पीकिंग, ये गे है. कैन यू से लाइक दिस, ये गे है? नो. सो हियर एग्जैक्टली द मीनिंग इज चेंजिंग. सो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं, उसको बोलना चाहिए था इम्पोर्टेंट. इम्पोर्टेंट, इम्पोर्टेंट, नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. So this is what exactly we have problem with our sounds. For example, can you please read these words? Yes, can you please read these words? Mr. Wajid, Mr. Rohit, Mr. Zubair, can you please read these words?
Quite.
Quit, quite, quit.
Yes, anyone else? Rohit.
Kite.
Quite.
Okay.
Quite.
Hmm.
I mean, quit. Quit.
Okay, okay. Mr. Zubair.
Kite. Quite.
And third one?
Quit.
Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. See, अपना क्या सबका, मेरा भी problem था जब मैंने नहीं सीखा था. So now I would like to tell you is what? Quit. This is quit. मतलब इन्हें बंद करना. Quit, 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 quit. See the sound. Quit, quit, quit. Next one is what? Quite, 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 quite. You have to just get the sound. Quite, 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 quite. And the last one is what? Last one is what? Quiet, 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 quiet. First one is what? Quit, quit, quit. Drop the sound. Next, quiet, 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 quiet. And the third one is what? Quiet, 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 quiet. Good. Okay. Now if you see over here, that quit means what? छोड़ देना, बंद कर देना. Quite मतलब यानी काफी. We say it's quite good, it's quite cold, it's quite hot. And quiet means what? Silence. Silence. अपने टीचर क्या बोलते थे? Keep quiet, काफी रखो, काफी रखो. बोलना चाहिए था शांतता रखो, साइलेंस रखो, साइलेंस रखो. और टीचर बोलते थे keep quiet, मतलब काफी रखो, काफी रखो. तो वहां पे अपने टीचर का मिस्टेक था. So this mistake, or we are not going to comment over here anymore. All right. So this is what exactly quit, quiet, and quiet. Quit, quiet, and quiet. All right, let's go for the next one. So today I'm going to show you how are we going to have your sounds. तो ये हमारा sounds था. इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें मैं आप लोगों को आगे पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. आधे से ज्यादा लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं है कि भाई इसको अलार्म क्यों बोलते हैं, अलार्म क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं. वी से अलार्म, अलार्म. डू वी से अलार्म?
No.
नो, वी से अलार्म, अलार्म. लोगों को पता ही नहीं आर कहाँ गया वो. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज व्हाट कॉलम. डू वी से कॉलम? नो,
No.
नो.
No.
वी से कॉलम, कॉलम. वी से बॉम्ब. वी से बॉम्ब.
Actually, columnar also said, na sir. If you are
Yeah,
continue
yeah.
column.
That columnar is different.
Column.
Okay.
That is another sentence.
Columnist and columnar is another one that is different. The columnar, no sound will be there, but here n is silent. Why? So I'll tell you that in future. Bomb. Do we say bomb? No, we say bomb. 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 Next one is what? What? What?
What?
Do we say wahat?
No.
Wahat. Wahat.
No.
Do we say like this? No.
What?
We say what? Why? ये सब क्यों है? इसका आगे चल के आप लोगों को आंसर मिल जाएगा. You will get the whole answer of these words in future. Okay, in our sounds and symbols. Now, apart from this one, the surprise is here that you are going to learn not only UK but also US accent in my class. Okay, मैं आपको दोनों accent पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. ऐसे नहीं खाली आपको एक. Why? Because I don't know in what company I'm going to go in future. Maybe you will be going into the British company, you have to use a British sound. If you're going for an American company, you will have to use their American sound. For example, schedule. It is a British sound. American people, what do they say?
Schedule.
Schedule.
Correct. Schedule. American
Schedule.
people say schedule. For example, often. It is British sound. American people, they say
Often.
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 Yeah. British people, they say often. And American people, they say often. Often. All right.
Indian.
Next. Yeah.
Indian.
And Indian, they say often. अपन ने तो ऐसे सत्यानाश मारा ना इंग्लिश का कि बस पूछो मत where are you going? How are
साउथ
you?
वाले तो और जबरदस्त बोलते हैं.
Oh, those are the people, you know. And one more thing I would like to tell you is that if you go to South India, they don't speak Hindi. They speak English only,
Yes, yes.
or their language.
Language.
Either English or
Language.
their language.
Correct. English is the second language. You know what happened once? Actually, I was going to Chennai a long time back. So there was a gentleman in the train. So it was not so good train, and the people were just lying over there. तो वो औरतें भी थे सब ऐसे नीचे, आदमी आ रहे थे सब नीचे ऐसे ही पड़े थे. So I thought at that time that they are very illiterate because of their dressing styles and on traditions. I was just thinking them, these are the people who are literally illiterate.
Yeah, right.
So there was a man and he was wearing a tie. He was looking a gentleman. So they were troubling him. वो लोग उसको trouble कर रहे थे, थोड़ा तकलीफ दे रहे थे. So I had full seat over there. So अब मेरा तो reserved seat था full. So I said to that man, मैंने ऐसे नीचे झुका, मैं बोला, excuse me gentleman, they are crackpots. No, please don't mind. Come up here. मैंने इतना बोला ना कि they are crackpots. Please don't mind. Come up here. They are just crazy. मैंने इतना बोला उन लोगों को. They are just crackpot. Please don't talk to those crazy people. Please come here. So वहाँ पे जो lady थी एक अम्मा, वो बोली, what? You are calling us crazy? You nonsense. You come here. You come down. You crazy. मैं बोला बाप रे मामा. I stood backside and I didn't talk to the whole people. बोला कि उन लोग के एरिया में आए अपन ने दे देंगे अपने को. Oh my God, मैं बोला यार इनको तो इंग्लिश आता है. Later on that man told me that अरे बाबा इनके सामने कुछ बोलना मत, because they speak only their language and their English only. So these are the, but वहाँ पे एक बात देखा मैंने, those are the really very good people and very literate people, ना, very educated people I see. अच्छे लोग देखा. Yes, Rohit.
Sir, I was see there. Many people are talk only in English. They can't talk in Hindi.
Yeah. Because see, actually they don't speak Hindi even. They don't know Hindi. They speak English. They say English is what our second language, but we don't know anything about Hindi and also they don't speak Hindi. They speak only English.
Yes.
That's it. So now here, let's get back. So UK and US accent we have. So UK people, they say schedule. US people they say schedule, UK people say often, US people they say often. You will find there's some little difference between some sentences, some good words as well. For example, can't and can't. Which one is correct? Same
Can't.
case, dance or dance. Actually, both are correct, sir. Why? Because can't, dance, it is UK sound. Dance, can't, it is American sound. American लोग थोड़ा इतरा कर बोलते हैं. Oh, I can't come tomorrow. They don't say I can't come tomorrow. So can't is what UK and US is what can't. Dance is what UK and dance is what American. So they have such differences between them. So I'll be telling you, I'll be teaching you how to pronounce these words in future. So get ready for your great transformation. Apart from this one, I would like to tell you some other things as well. Let's get continue. So today I'm going to show you the sounds in English and how to pronounce them well in English. All right. So let's get started with our phonetic symbols. The next chapter is what phonetic symbols. And see, please don't be absent from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Don't come late and don't be absent from tomorrow onwards. Why? Because we are going to start a new topic tomorrow, which is very, 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 very important. Why? That topic will teach you how to make sentences in English.
Right.
How to make sentences in English. So please
Right.
don't be absent for further anymore. And I'm really sorry for yesterday. Apart from this one, don't be late as well. Okay. So
No
the point
problem.
number one is what phonetic symbols. Now my question is there to you. Phonetic symbols. What do you mean by phone? What do you mean by phone in English? What do you mean by phone?
Handset.
Okay, handset, gadget. Okay. Yes.
Mobile.
Device.
Okay. Very good. Anything else? Here,
Mobile.
phone means what? Sound in English. English may always remember. I'll tell you one more thing today. That in English we have every word. Most of all, 90% words are there in English, which contains two meanings. उनके अंदर हर word के दो meaning होते हैं English में. Every word contains two meanings. For example, bomb. Correct? If I say Wajid bhai has a bomb, मतलब क्या है उसका? Oh my God! It is a double meaning sentence. वाजिद भाई एज अ बॉम्ब मीन्स व्हाट? वाजिद भाई के पास में या तो अप्पड़ चिमड़ बॉम्ब रहेगा, एक सुतली बॉम्ब, लवंगी बॉम्ब, ऐसे कुछ तो भी रहेगा. और सेकंड मीनिंग ऑफ वाजिद भाई एज अ बॉम्ब मीन्स व्हाट? वाजिद भाई हैज लॉट ऑफ मनी. वाजिद भाई हैज लॉट ऑफ मनी. अब फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पेन? पेन का मतलब क्या होता है? पेन इज जस्ट a unit, equipment and an objective just to write, right?
Right.
Correct. So pen is what we just write through that pen, for writing pen. Another meaning of pen is pig house. Okay.
Pig
house.
Pop.
पिग जहाँ पे रहता है उसके घर को बोलेंगे पेन. So आपका बॉस अगर फ्यूचर में अगर कभी आपको अगर ऐसे बोला, what the hell is this? Do you live in Pen? No sir, I don't live in Pen. I live in Cartridge. तो ऐसा बोलना नहीं. तो आपका ऐसा पोपट विपट हो सकता है वहाँ पे, तो प्लीज ध्यान दे लेना. Okay, so this is what exactly pen means. What? Pig house. Next one, for example, murder. रोहित क्या सोच रहा है?
आपके इधर केक, अपने इधर केक मर्डर भी होता है.
Okay, so murder means what? Murder, just to kill someone, right? Another meaning of murder is what? A group of crows. A group of crows. I'll tell you one more thing. Once what happened, I went to college. When I was in college, in my first year, मैं college में जब गया, वो टाइम पे मैंने क्या किया था, नया मैंने क्या किया था, IELTS पास करके आया था मैं. अभी IELTS नया पास किया तो आई वाज जस्ट बहुत अपन मजबूत गरम रिजल्ट था ना अपने पास में. So I went to college for admission. At the time of admission, they were giving their identity cards. So the identity cards were being made by the peon. और वो peon बना रहा था identity cards उधर. So I was standing in the long queue, and what happened? After standing for 2-3 hours in the queue, when my number came, he shut the window. And before that, he was just, he was playing with his फ्रेंड्स, अपने दोस्तों के साथ में खेलते बैठा था पीछे, कभी हंसी मजाक कर रहा है, कभी कुछ कर रहा है. So what happened? He shut the window and he said that, sir, door closed. Please come tomorrow. Next day मैं आया, मेरा नंबर लगा. So he was laughing and he was smiling at me. Oh, so sorry. कल आए थे ना, कल sorry, कल बंद हो गया था. So I asked him, how are you? Yeah, he said, yeah, I'm fine, fine. So I asked him, where is your pace? He said, what? I said, where is your drove? He said, what? I said, nothing. उसको समझ में नहीं आया. What do you mean by pace? Pace का मतलब क्या होता है?
Speed.
Very good. Very good. Okay, what is mean by drove?
Draw
Drive
is
का
nothing
second-
but drive part is third second.
Correct. Second form है drive का. Correct.
Right.
मैंने मतलब ये चलाया. The second meaning of pace and drove is what? A group of donkeys. तो मैंने उसको ये पूछा था, तुम्हारे डोंकी दोस्त लोग किधर है? उसको समझ में नहीं आया वो. अगर उसको समझता तो दे दिया होता उसने मेरे को उधर ही. So this is what exactly, उसको समझा ही नहीं मैंने उसको क्या पूछा. I asked him where is your pace, मतलब यानी आपके गधे दोस्त लोग किधर है जो कल आपके साथ में टाइम पास करते बैठे थे, उसकी वजह से आपने मेरे को कल लटकाया. Where is your drove? Where is your group of donkeys? उसको समझ में नहीं आया. तो ऐसा हो सकता है. Getting it, रोहित?
Yes, sir.
अपने बॉस भी ने अगर अपने को कभी ऐसे बोला, you pace, sir, I'm not pace, I'm very slow, उसका मतलब कुछ और है. Getting it? Because
Yes, sir.
you should be very careful with your voice and noise. All right, I'll tell you one more thing. I'm just taking a test. Abdul Wajid bhai,
Yes.
yeah, please pay attention, I'm asking something. Okay, now I'll
Yes.
repeat 3 times. You have to listen carefully and you have to answer me. Okay, good. Now suppose for example your boss is calling you at night and your boss is saying, hello Rohit, hello Zubair, hello Wajid. Oh yes sir, I'm coming on 20th. Please come and pick me up from the airport. Hello Wajid, I'm coming on 20th. Please come and pick me up from the airport. Hello Zubair, I'm coming on 20th. Please come and pick me up from the airport. Hello Rohit, I'm coming on 20th. Please come and pick me up from the airport. आप एयरपोर्ट पे कितने तारीख को जाएंगे?
20 of November.
Okay, 20 of November. Okay. Rohit,
20.
20th.
yes Rohit.
Can you repeat, sir? Can you repeat, sir?
बॉस अपना इतनी बार नहीं बोलेगा.
I'm coming 20.
I'm coming on 20th. Please come and pick me up from the airport.
Wait, 20, sir. 20 now.
Okay, 20, right?
Yeah.
20 नहीं ना?
No, 20.
Okay, first one. Wajid bhai?
Yes, 20 current month.
Exactly.
20 current month.
I'm really happy for this one that your answer is absolutely right. I said I'm coming on 20th. 20th. I'm coming on 20th means what? 20 तारीख को आ रहा हूँ मैं. कुछ लोग ऐसे रहते हैं. Okay sir, I'm coming on 20th. उन लोग को लगता है 28 बोला. अरे 28 और जाते 28 पे. Hello sir, I'm at the airport. Where are you? बोलता है get lost. I came 8 days earlier. 8 दिन पहले आया मैं. Idiot. Get lost from there. So this is what exactly 20th, not 28. Okay, remember this one. So वहाँ पे sound बहुत matter करता है कि आप किसको क्या बोल रहे हैं. Alright. For example, आपका boss आया, आपको बोल रहा है, Zubair, please go and book a suite. Umair, please go and book a suite. Wajid, please go and book a suite. Rohit, please go and book a suite. आप लोग क्या करेंगे?
Sweets.
करेंगे.
क्या बोले?
Sweets nothing but double meaning.
Oh my god. Yes. Actually, I said suite. Please book a suite. मैंने suite नहीं बोला. मैंने suite
पसीना
नहीं बोला.
पसीना
Sweet.
पसीना.
नहीं 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 नहीं, वो
So
पसीना वाला
it
मुझे
is
नहीं पता है.
so it
वो
is a
sweat
room
होता है.
type of room type
Correct,
of room. So
correct.
it is
It is a
in a
type of
hotel.
room.
It's a
Correct. A
standard
room
room.
in a hotel. It's a standard. It is a posh room in a hotel. It's called suite. Okay. And sweet is what? Sweet. It is the dish. Sweet dish. And sweat
Yes,
is what?
yes.
Pasina. Pasina.
I
So this is what
I thought
exactly.
last one.
नहीं 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 नहीं. अरे पसीना बुक करो.
इससे अगर ही
No, no, no. So here it is
कौन
what
सी लड़की?
exactly. So I've just given you the introduction of sounds in English here. All right, my dear friends. So this is what exactly you can go through them. And from the next chapter, from the next, what do we say? On Friday, every Friday, I'm going to teach you sounds in English. Okay. So please don't
Yes.
be absent. And tomorrow we are going to have very, very important session of sound first. कल हमारा sound का first session है. Okay.
Right.
On Monday, I'm going to start a very important topic that will teach you how to make sentences in English. So please don't be absent. And whatever I have taught you today, I hope that you have understood it well. And if you have any questions, no problem at all. You can ask me tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
And please go through the recordings and please go through the documents as well. And
Yes.
the days I'm just giving holidays and all whatever means from my side जो भी मेरी गलती की वजह से holiday आपको मिल रहा है उसका मैं आपको extra दिन दे दूंगा. Okay.
No
Extra
problem.
lectures.
Cheerio.
No
Yeah, yeah.
problem.
Cheerio. Thank you so much.
Cheerio. Cheerio.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.
Okay, bye. Senora.
Sayonara.